I just wanted to tell you how all this came about. Somebody told me you cannot hit any bonuses or win on a cruise ship. I do it all the time. I've been doing it for a very long time. I've been winning free cruises, free dinners, free drinks everywhere. So I wanted to put it to the test. So I jumped on a ship on January 2nd. It was the Radiance out of LA. And I did 3 days. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. I put it to the test. This is my first day. I spent a lot of time with Mo. I don't know if you're familiar with Mo Mummy and the Spooky Link. I'm obsessed. Yeti's my favorite, and I'm going to do some videos with Yeti, but Mo was my first because that's what they had on the ship. So for free, you can't blame me. I jumped on, and this is what happened. Check out day one.
You hit it twice, baby.
I hit it on 80 cents. I wouldn't pay $6.
Major! Major!
Give me the grand. Give me the grand. Give me the grand.
Grand. Minor!
Oh, that's good.
Minor!
Nice.
You stopped it.
1,500.
You can't on this one you can. Mini! Oh.
Okay. Who hit that? Vega match?
She got the mini, the major, and the minor.
Okay, give me the grand.
Okay,
Give
here
me
we
the
go.
grand.
Come on, baby. No. Okay, got a couple of diamonds.
You need one more.
Diamonds.
You need one more.
Got it.
There you go.
Come on, Mo. Come on, Mo. Be good to me. Be good to me. Be good to me. Yes? Listen, baby, I need 2 more. We'll take 1,200.
Maybe.
Mini again.
Really?
That's 500.
I need
One
a
more,
diamond
one more.
so bad.
One more.
Didn't let me stop it. Didn't let me stop it, babe. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
You got? I want
1,000.
1,000.
Woo.
Good job. You did it.
Shut up.
Look at that major.
Okay, you gotta get our new friend Pam in the video.
Shut up.
Right?
Hey, you're next.
She did
You're
that.
next.
You're next.
She did that.
You're
You're next.
Okay.
You're next.
But I'm not paying $6.
Okay, Vega Magic. Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. I want the grand, please. Thank you, sir. Instant plane. Good job, Mr. Vega. Come on, 3 more. Diamonds, baby, diamonds. That's amazing. Can you act happy, sir? Can you act happy? That's it. Oh, no. Do your happy dance. Do your happy dance. Do your happy dance. Yes. More, baby. One more diamond. Come on.
One more.
Come on, Mo. Diamond. Come on, Mo.
Mumble.
Oh my God.
It's right there.
I'm so scared. One more
I want
diamond.
to see what it does.
Oh my God. Was that it?
Yeah. Cool, it's home spot.
Yeah. So. The old thing, no? I'm just surprised because I assumed that on 5 cents it would be way more. Oh, 172. Okay.
There.
Thank you, Mo. Thank you, Mo. Here we go. Let's go, Mo. That's good there, right?
Yeah.
All right, we'll take 20. Come on, Mo. Diamonds. Yeah, because he was going to give me 0. Sometimes I do, because he's going to sometimes. Oh! Yes! Yes! Happy dance. Happy dance. Oh, we got 2. I need 2 more diamonds. Come on, Mo. 2 diamonds. Come on. 2. All right. I'm going to forgive you for the lack of diamonds, but I accept 2 this time. Ah. 2 diamonds. Woo! Nope. Yeah. We'll take the 256. Yes, we will. 256. Woo! I know, but the concerns are different. I know. That's the way I'd play, baby. Okay, $6. Mo rogue and that's my favorite combo too.
Okay. That's for that one.
Yeah, we need the major and the grand. Ready? All right. Come on, Mo. Freeze. Okay, ready?
Right. I want it.
Yeah. Okay.
4. Yeah.
Need one more. Come on, Mo. Money and I'm dance. Oh, great. Yes. Okay. One more. Come on, Mo. Yes. Oh, yay. Okay. So I probably got to steal it, right? Nope. I'm going to let it go. Oh my God, he's going to do me like this, Mo? Come on. Two spins. Ready? Yes. That's going to be hard to get. Let me see what I can do. Come on, Mo. Yes. But it's a good one. Look it. So come on, Mo. One more. Ah. All right. How much? Happy dance. Hi, baby. Thank you, Mo.
Hey y'all, if you made it this far, I appreciate you tolerating my shenanigans. Thank you so much for watching and all your support, likes, and comments. Every one of them will be read, I can assure you that. If there is anything you think we should try, let me know. And as always, I hope we all win. I win.